Hey, to pair a Realme Buds Air 5 Pro with any iOS device like for example this iPhone 12, first of all you will have to get the left and the right earbud inside, and you will have to click on this small button that appears on the right side of the charging case. So click and hold this button and take a look on this small indicator on the front. When it starts blinking white like this, you can release this button and keep that case open. Now you can put it here next to your phone. Go to the settings. You will have to actually go into the Bluetooth settings, and here search for the other devices list and select Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. So click on them once, and as you can see now we are successfully connected. Also, I can highly recommend you to get a Realme Link application from the App Store, because thanks to this we will unlock more features of these earbuds. So you will have to search for this phrase, click on this application and install it. When you do this, you will have to open this application and accept every permission that is popping on your screen. And once you want to pair your device and click here for the pairing, you will have to log in into this application with your phone number, email, or if you don't have account, you will have to actually create account. Next, when you do this and you want to start pairing, you can click on the right upper corner on the plus, then accept permission, and as you can see your buds will appear right here. But if they doesn't appear on this list, I will recommend you to scroll down, go for the audio, scroll all the way down, and you will have to select the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro. So click on them once, then be sure that we are in the pairing mode, that we are connected previously, and the both earbuds are on the side. Click on this switcher that earphones are connected, click next, and then select the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro from the list, accept the pairing request, and now we are connected. We have to accept this statement of use, so we have to click that we have read and agreed to this privacy. Click agree, and as you can see now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.